Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to install Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you will need a Windows 11 installation media, such as a Windows 11 bootable USB drive. Our video on how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive with Rufus might help you. The link is in the description below. Second, you will need to insert the USB drive into the computer, then restart the PC, and access the BIOS or UEFI. Adjust the boot priority to boot from the USB drive, or you can enter the boot menu and boot from the USB drive directly. Our video on how to boot from a USB flash drive might help you. The link is in the description below. If you see the press any key to boot screen, hit enter. Now, in the Windows setup screen, you can choose the time and currency format, and the keyboard or input method, then click Next. Alternatively, you can leave the default values and click Next, then click on Install Now. Here, if you have a product key, enter it and click on Next. If you don't have a product key, leave the field blank and click on I don't have a product key. Then select the Windows version you want to install, Home, Pro, etc., and click on Next. Now, check the I accept the Microsoft Software License Terms box, and click on Next. Then click on Custom, Install Windows Only. Here, you need to select where you want to install Windows. You might have a few drive options like Drive 0, Drive 1, etc., based on how many storage drives you have connected to the system. If you have a brand new drive, or even a system the drive will show as an allocated space, just make sure to select the right drive, where you want Windows to be installed, then click on Next. If you are reinstalling Windows, you will see the Windows drive with its partitions, like Drive 0 Partition 1, Drive 0 Partition 2, etc., also known as System Partition, MSR Partition, Primary Partition, Recovery Partition. To do a fresh install of Windows, select every partition of the mentioned and click on Delete. This will show the space as an allocated space. Select the right drive, where you want Windows to be installed, then click on Next, and wait until the installation finishes. The system will restart automatically, and the screen might flash black during the process, so don't worry about it. Now in the out-of-box experience screen, choose your country then click on Yes. Choose your keyboard layout then click on Yes. You can add another layout or click on Skip. Here, type a name for your device, and click on Next, then the system will restart. Or you can skip it. Then choose Setup for personal use and click on Next. Now you can sign in with your Microsoft account if you want to. Or you can bypass Microsoft Online account and create an offline account, also known as a local account, by pressing the Shift key plus F10 to open the command prompt and typing ncpa.cpl, then hitting Enter. This will open the network connections. Right-click the Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection, and click on Disable to disconnect the PC from the internet. Then type U/bypass NRO and hit Enter. The PC will restart. Choose the country and keyboard layout again, and you will see a new option appear. I don't have internet. Click on it. Then click on Continue with limited setup. Then type a name for your account, and click on Next. You can enter a password for your account, or leave it blank and click on Next. Now, disable everything for privacy reasons and click on Accept. Finally, from the Windows desktop, press the Windows key plus R to open Run. Then type ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. This will open the network connections. Right-click the Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection, and click on Enable to connect the PC to the internet. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.